Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. I love new subscribers, so tell your friends. We're all here to educate you about the latest in dentistry, and you know how passionate I am about Snap-on Smile. Today, this case is amazing. The patient has not seen it. It's going to change his life. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what his smile looked like before. Okay, so why did you come in to see us?
Because I went to other places, but it was so expensive, and I had seen you on TV, and so I decided to come in and see could I get Snap-on.
And what do you want to have done to your teeth?
Beautify them, and so I could smile.
You want to smile again?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, more confidence?
More confidence.
Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at his smile. So he's missing teeth in the front. Go ahead and open big, and also on the lower right side. Now, this is an interesting case. Do you see these big bony bumps here? These are called tori. So in his particular case, open big please, he could not have a partial because there's no way that they'll fit down into this without this interfering. So really the only thing you can do is implants, bridges, or snap-on, and we chose to do a snap-on. Now let's take a look at your top teeth. He really needs to have longer teeth. These teeth have been broken down and chipped. Missing teeth on his upper left side, and on the upper right side, missing teeth as well. Turn to the left. Go ahead and bite down and turn towards me. So we need to open his bite, give this handsome man a much brighter, more whiter, beautiful smile. Also, we're opening up his bite because when he closes down, his bite seems to be collapsed. We're going to put years back on this man's life. There's only one Snap-on Smile. One. Everything else on the internet is fake. If it does not say it's Snap-on Smile or have the logo, a lot of people are using Snap-on Smile to promote their products online, and it's just fraudulent. So I'm just warning you guys, my channel is the real deal with Snap-on Smile. So we went ahead and we send the patient, we do digital impressions, no more goop in their mouth. These are the models of the patient's existing teeth. The Snap-on Smile is milled, and you can place it directly over the existing teeth and see exactly how it will look. So we're going to go ahead and show you what it looks like in the patient's mouth. So let's take a look. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
A little bit nervous. Okay, you're never too old to have a beautiful smile, right?
Right.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and place the top Snap-on in. And again, we never touched your teeth. You did get your cleanings done. You had a couple of fillings done, right, to prepare for this. But we didn't alter his existing teeth cosmetically. So we're going to place this over. Open, please. And this is how it's going to fit. And I love these because they literally snap into place. Take a look at that, folks. Life-changing, gorgeous. Now let's go over to the lower. The lower, it's a little bit more challenging to place it in, but it literally snaps into place. So go ahead and open big. And his tongue likes me a lot, right? And there it is. Snaps in, bite down. Look at the gum line. These fit perfectly. This is going to change this man's life in a way that he has not experienced in a long time. So go ahead and smile big. All right, you haven't seen them, right?
Right.
All right, so let's take a look. So what are you feeling right now? So I can feel that you're nervous.
I'm nervous and excited too.
You're excited?
Yeah.
All right, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, turn the mirror over.
Oh. That's me. Woo. Woo. Yeah, that's beautiful. Woo.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm gonna start back smiling again.
How long has it been?
Oh, 20-something years.
20-something years.
Yeah.
So how do you think it's going to affect you?
Oh, I'm gonna have to learn how to smile. When I used to take pictures, I used to always, smile but not open my mouth. So now I can.
Now you're gonna be opening your mouth.
Yes.
Okay, so we are very excited. So he's excited. We're excited. This is why we do what we do. High five, mister. Snap-on smile, 5 stars. There you go. I like this man's laugh. So, as I always say, Lumineers will change your smile, but Snap-on Smile changes your life. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.